Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Optima. Losing your keys or locking them inside can be frustrating, but there are several straightforward methods to regain access. First, always check if you have a spare key available, perhaps at home or with a trusted friend. This is often the quickest and easiest solution to get back into your vehicle without any hassle or cost. For many modern Kia Optima owners, the Kia Connect app offers a fantastic solution. Simply open the application on your smartphone, ensure your vehicle has an active subscription, and then tap the unlock button. This sends a signal directly to your car, opening the doors remotely. It's a convenient feature that can save you time and stress, especially if your keys are just out of reach inside. If remote options aren't available or don't work, a professional automotive locksmith is your best bet. They possess specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Kia Optima without causing any damage. When you call, be ready to provide your vehicle's exact model and your precise location. Most locksmiths can arrive within 30 to 60 minutes, offering a quick and secure solution to your lockout situation. While less recommended, some manual methods exist. A wedge and a long-reach tool can sometimes be used to carefully pry open a small gap and manipulate the lock. However, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution to avoid scratching paint or damaging weather stripping. We strongly advise against using a Slim Jim, as it can easily damage internal wiring. Always consider professional help first to ensure your vehicle's integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.